Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to the United Stand. The Manchester United Premier League fixtures for the 25-26 season have been released. Leaked a little bit early, some would say, again, but this is a nightmare for Ruben Amorim and his quest to put Manchester United back on track. We will play Arsenal first game of the season, but reportedly, and we'll have it officially in about 7 minutes' time, we've also got Manchester City and Chelsea in the first 5 Premier League fixtures. Now, many people would say, you've got to play them all at some point, Mark. There's no point moaning, but that doesn't actually work. That doesn't actually work. If you had to play the 5 best teams first 5 games of the season and you lose them, momentum, confidence disappears. So you want a good start. You want Sunderland at home. You know, you want to play Burnley away, second game. Third game, let's have maybe Bournemouth at home. We don't want Man City and Arsenal in the first 4 games. We don't want that. That's not what we want. And it's exciting, you know, you can't do anything about it, but it's not a good start. And I would say, if you are an Amorim outer, I'd put your money on Amorim out before Christmas now, before it drops officially at 9 o'clock, because he has a huge job. It's a nightmare start. It is what it is, but it makes a mockery of what Barada said about it's good for the club to take our time on transfers and save money. That first game of the season is Arsenal in mid-August. They better get the signings done ASAP. ASAP. Hello everybody, today's clip is supported by Sleeper. Before we dive in, let me tell you a bit more about Sleeper. This app is making serious waves. It was the #1 downloaded sports app in the US during the NFL season, even beating heavyweights such as ESPN and Yahoo. Sleeper isn't just popular, it's because they truly deliver the best fantasy experience. You get deeper customization, more league options, and all the bells and whistles that make managing your fantasy team a blast. But that's not all. Sleeper is growing a fantastic community with several million people using it daily for their sports fix. Sleeper has a broad appeal and is genuinely built for everyone. So, if you're looking to up your fantasy game, make sure to check out Sleeper by clicking the link in the video description. Trust me, you won't regret it. There is absolutely no way that we should be sat there negotiating £5 million when those players could be in for July. If we want to start, if they want Amorim to be in a job at Christmas and they want to build something to win a title in 2028, they better stop trying to save £3 million here because it's good for the bank balance. We need those players in now. We need them in for pre-season, and we need to have the best pre-season we've had since Sir Alex Ferguson days. We've got to be ready to go from minute 1. Because what I don't like about Man United Arsenal opening day or Liverpool or anyone like, and we'll talk about what the Christmas fixtures are and what the last few fixtures are in a minute because we've got all that. But Mate Your Rate says, I can't find the odds to get Amorim sacked already. I think that it doesn't matter whether it's Liverpool Arsenal opening day, Man United Arsenal opening day, Man City against Liverpool opening day. These teams aren't ready. Anyone will tell you, it's like the Charity Shield. It looks like it's good, but the teams aren't ready. It takes them 2 or 3 games to get up to match fitness. So I'm never a big fan of one of the biggest fixtures of the season being on the opening day because it's a much better fixture in September, October, February, January, etc. But it is what it is. It is what it is. United Relay says, do you think the fixtures are rigged? Yeah. Well, I wouldn't say they're rigged, but they have parameters that go in to stop certain things from happening. Like Manchester Derby won't happen at certain times. Liverpool Man United won't happen at certain times. Arsenal Liverpool would never come out opening game of the season because they'll think that they're going to win the league. So there are definitely parameters put in. It's not randomised. And everybody knows it's not randomised. There are certain things that happen. They'll look at international fixtures. They'll look at everything. They'll look at when the FA Cup third round is. They will put certain things in place so certain games happen at certain times. Jim says moan bridge every day. Jim, can I just get rid of you, please? Because I'm not actually moaning. I'm not actually moaning. It is what it is. I don't know what I'm meant to be moaning about, Jim. I'm not the manager. I'm just the fan. In many ways, from a United Stand point of view, massive views, first five games. Jim, what have I got to moan about? Huge views for the first 5 games of the season. Arsenal opening day, biggest one of the season. Man City, 4 games after that. We're cooking, mate. We're cooking. Oh, think about all the viewers, all the growth. Oh, think about all the subscribers. Yes, loving it, Jim. You've just made me feel happy. No, I'm not. I'm joking, of course. I'm not moaning. I'm just saying I want Amorim to succeed, and it's a difficult start. And I look at Wolves last season. They had a difficult start, and they never really recovered until after Christmas, and they had to sack their manager. Momentum and confidence grows. You have a good start to the season, you can win the league. Look at Leicester. You have a bad start to the season, you can be in a relegation battle like Wolves. So I want us to have a good start to the season, Jim. And I think it fits in perfectly with the show that we were talking about last night, whereby you've got Omar Barada sat there, relaxed, optimistic, saying, you know, we'll take our time on transfers because it's good for the club. You're playing Arsenal, first game of the season. You're playing Man City, 4th game of the season, and you're playing Chelsea, 5th game of the season. So basically, by mid-September, we're playing 3 of the best teams in the league. If you don't bring players in till the end of August like you did with Agate last year, we're done. We're fucked. We can't start the season like that. So, in a way, Jim, I'm really quite positive, actually, because they've got to get their finger out. And the pressure's on Barada, and the pressure's on Wilcox, and I rub my hands at that. I'm like, Amorim is going to get exposed big time if you don't get those players in quick. They can't sit there now going, we're relaxed, we're going to take our time. No, this is the best thing that could have happened. We've got 3 of our hardest games of the season in the first 5 games, and if we're not ready to go for that first game, Amorim could be staring at 3 points from 15. We've got Arsenal at home, Fulham away, that's going to be fucking hard. Burnley at home. I mean, I would love to say that'll be easy, but I can't say anything about Burnley. Man City away, Chelsea at home. So Arsenal at home, Fulham away, Burnley at home, Man City away, Chelsea at home. 15 points. How many are we going to get? I'm going to say we'll do well to get 6. Based on last season and the summer we've had so far. We'll do really well to get 6 from 15. If we've got 6 from 15... Amorim out across the media, Amorim out across the fan base will just grow. So Arsenal at home, I mean, we could win, but let's say best case scenario draw. Fulham away, I think it's got a draw written all over it. That's 2 points. Burnley at home, we win, 5. Man City away, we lose, 5. Chelsea at home, draw, 6. 6 points from 15. Amorim out. It will start straight away. Goldbridge, that's the end of the clip. I'm sure you enjoyed it. In fact, I bet that's the best clip you've ever watched. So there's no reason not to subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you never miss a clip again. In fact, smash a like on the video because we all know only legends like videos and you are all legends. So please smash a like on the video and we will see you again on the next one. Thank you very much for watching as always.